Teams are coming from these countries and what are their names. And so, not to waste much of your time.
Anytime at Cheetah FC or by Azibia, Menuaje Hopana, Mamma be a major to a number because we're a very progressive club. And I like to associate with Ngofa where progressive. Oh yeah, in your Obia, Odrin Shakan, na Ohunyama be in sports and in football in particular in a different way. And see, the least I can do in the anytime of a friend program, be a member supporting. I am now Abra Wobway one park no. Then one of the private owned astroturfs in Ghana. One for Abaniska, one for Nakasa no ye. Obi obey them no work constituency. Now so office in your brick wall. The least I can do them make them supporting. And see any support be amendment be advice so who be and make no maybe I'm there to me a day now. Because tournament and then one start or step by step. One started them and me just there. On Chebia, don't make kind. On Chebia, saying their third year in 5 years of celebrating the 5th anniversary. I'm sure he can attract European youth clubs. I'm the one prepare ye. Because the time every year be a tournament or a case, send them into Obio Ogazigua. And now, oh yeah, Otto Nazi, Niti shared so Sabazo, Bibia, a tournament national on prepare. Because we just there, Obenya good markets. Obotuma turn no so. And now, Mestre, so the sponsors, one share Cratchy. Because aside from Angel TV, why has the part that most sponsor this tournament, most sponsor, Mestre, it been also in back home. Now, on to me, ye. What the baby are, mean their operational costs, I order so. In your boarding, lodging, Nazi, and other expenses that was over cover on and see. I hope he gets more sponsors. But so a very good thing. This must be one of the best youth tournaments in Ghana currently.
The final goal is to have a mini AFCON in Ghana always. So when I say a mini AFCON is say a lot of African youth club participating. Club ni bi wo ho a yenti omuden da Water Dreams Academy and so for Niger, but obi anti omo kan here. But through Cheetah Cup will be promoting and projecting them. Oh, so what you say? Inti yenim say by the 4th year Yami Aduma next year and the 5th year no. One share Beka Ghana team ba akupe with 15 other African countries. Inti this year no yenya 8 ye 2 pound. I stand to be corrected, but I've not seen any youth tournament in Ghana has say yenya 8 countries. There were Mali, club from Mali, Guinea, Liberia. One more standby, one more chance on bedroom. So I believe say gradually, Yabuta say ye mini AFCON with youth clubs are one known African to project and promote their players and their clubs. Most often, ye mind baby a ye woy, ye per se ye train no nipa kuno e brand who dim na. Ube say sometimes ube bro who dim na ube do baby no na untumi na adene ku. But yembinum yasha yasapo musio. First year, personally, me say 100,000 Ghana cedis to put this tournament together. We feed and accommodate 500 players and their coaches in Senya Breku. Last year, you say 120,000. This year, it is going up because of more foreign clubs, but you need to give them good hospitality so that they will go and tell other people who want to come. Meda Angel Group of Company, Angel TV and Angel Cola, specifically Mr. Vincent, or say, I love the energy that you are putting in your this thing. I'm watching you from afar, and the energy that you are putting into this. How do you do this? We need to come and support you. And Meda, Mr. Vincent, any Angel Group of Company, I can say these two or one entity, Angel, have been the first corporate institution on board to hold a Cheetah Cup. Now, me feel say they will pave the way for other corporate institutions to see. I am bent, giving the permission from above. I am bent on making this tournament a world-class tournament. He said the way honorable now next year, next 2 years, you'll be inviting clubs from Europe, normal be participating. So maximum respect to Angel Group of Company.